In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Imagine Learning. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to open up my Google Chrome web browser. I'm going to open up a new page. And in the web browser, I'm going to type in imaginelearning.com. I'm going to double check my spelling that it's correct, and I press enter. The next thing that I'm going to do is on the top right, there is a black button. When I hover over it, it says login. I'm going to click on it. Next, I'm going to click on the Imagine Learning program that I want. So if my child is in English, I'm going to click on Imagine Language and Literacy with the blue robot. Si mi hijo está en español, voy a hacerle clic en el botón que dice Imagine Español. So I'm going to click the blue button. Next, I go to this login page. So the first thing that I'm going to do is enter my username. That is capital S and my student's identification number or ID. So it must be a capital S. So this is an example for my student, S1983920. It must be a capital S, one more time. And the password is the same, capital S 1983920. Remember, this is my example, so your child's identification number will be their own. Going to go to show to make sure they're the same. Yes, they are. And my site code is 4823640. Then I'm going to click the login button at the bottom. Now I see my student's name at the top right corner, and I can click on the Imagine Language and Literacy program so my child can practice. And then I'm going to verify that it's my child's account. Is your name Desmond? Green button, yes. I'm waiting to start the program. I'm going to allow the use of the microphone. And hooray, I've logged in. To log out, I'm going to click the red logout button. And that's how you log in to Imagine Learning.